Hey guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing. As you know, I got lots of RC cars. I do lots of fixing and I do teardown video for you. I wanted something to make it a bit easier. So I got this car stand from Banggood. I bought it and I want to see how good it is. I will show you the unboxing and how to build it. And if you like one, you can get. We will see which scale car it fits to. And that's it. Let's get to it. First, open the box. This is the first car stand I have. Hope it will be good. Let's take everything outside of the box. First of all, it comes with a installation guide, sketch, not a lot to it, few screws. I'm gonna do it right now. Let's get some rubber underneath so the mount won't slide if you have slippery table. Few screws you have, a setup screw, two other screws, stand itself. You can set up the height of it. I will test it in a second. You can set the height and the direction of the plates. So this is the plate itself, nice aluminum, blue. So first of all, you see everything that came in the box. Now for the build, move it. That's it. The big screw goes here at the top. You can hand screw it, don't need to be too tight. Now for the legs. Two millimeter. That's it, it's ready. You have the setup screw. This needs also 2 millimeter. Put it right here. You can leave it free, just close it. That's it, it's ready. Now we can see which car you can mount on it. This is about 1 to 12 scale car. As you can see, now it's very easy to fix the car. You can take off a wheel, just spin it. You can set up the setting screw just tight enough to be loose to spin the car and strong enough so it won't spin. As you can see, very nice. So this is a 1 to 12 scale car, very good for it. You can use it for a 1 to 18 scale, like this WA toys, but you will need to put it in an angle. As you can see, you can use it. Nice. And for the bigger cars, my MT4. As you can see, it sits very nice. The wheels a bit on the air. You can lift it a bit more. Now empty. The wheels are in the air. Easier to do maintenance like this. That's it for the unboxing of the TFL car mount. One thing I didn't show you, it says a roller here. You can measure maybe the screws or parts that you want to use. It's a nice touch, better than not putting anything on it. You saw the cars that it can, that it fits, just about 1 to 18 scale and above, till 1 to 8 scale. It will be great. That's it. Hope this helps you. Go ahead and get one if you want. And I'll see you guys next time.